Hi, this time I'm gonna show you unboxing of Welcome to Hell's Venom. I bought it in Amazon. Finally I got it. I bought this one 1 month ago. My cousin brought me this one from United States. Let's see. Wow. It came out in 1988. This is a version from 2002. I think this is my favorite Venom album. Yeah, even for me, I think that this one is even better than black metal. Wow. As you can see, it says New Wave of British Heavy Metal. As you know, Venom was part from the New Wave of British Heavy Metal. Wow. In League with Satan, Welcome to Hell, Venom, At War with Satan. Need records. Let's see the booklet for a moment. Here it is. Mantas, Abaddon, and Kronos. Sons of Satan, Welcome to Hell, Schizo, Mayhem with Mercy, Poison, Reflecting Angel, Witching Hour. That's my favorite one from the album. 1000 Days in Sodom, Angel Dust, In League with Satan, Red Light Fever. This one is very nice. It's your Poison. I think this album was very raw from that time. It was ahead of the time. I think that the heaviest thing in those times in the 80s was Motorhead, but this one is even heavier. Well, I hope you like it. I'm gonna listen it now again. Well, see you later.